Welcome to day 4 of our summer sketches. Happy 4th of July to those of you in the United States of America. I thought to celebrate Independence Day today we would draw our national bird. Does anyone know what our national bird is? It's the bald eagle. So let's get going. We're going to use the number 7 today. So we're going to start with our number 7. And let me grab my pencil and we'll do the details. So you're going to start at the end of the 7 up here and you're going to draw a curved line down. And now we're going to start right at that end and come out to the side and do a nice rounded curve into a point and go back up. You can probably tell that right here is its beak. Okay, so then we're going to come down here, and if you've ever seen a bald eagle, you got a lot of feathers. So we're just gonna, boom, connect that there. And I like to add a couple feathers along the back of its head. Just like that. So now for the body, we're going to start here and do a nice rounded line. And I'm gonna draw the wing. Their wings are so big. So we're gonna just start with a curve. And what we're gonna do, there's gonna be a couple layers to this wing. So we're gonna do 4 little bumps. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're gonna do the same thing over again, a little skinnier. 1, 2, 3, 4, and connect it. We're gonna do that one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are all its different feathers. And then at the bottom, I'm gonna just do 3 bumps. So 1, 2, 3. And there's its big old wing. Now, bald eagles have really strong legs. So I'm gonna start their leg here, just like this. I'm gonna do a little feather line. And then here's gonna be its feet. The talons are big. Out, do a little line, like a bumpy for its claw. And the feet don't have to be perfect. I am trying to make these simple drawings, so it can kind of just be not too crazy. You can add little claws there. And then we're gonna just do the same thing over here. Its leg. Come to a point, do some feather lines. And we'll start its feet. And then one in the back there. You can do another one if you need to. All right, so see this belly line? You're gonna continue it behind the leg. And that's just the end of his body, and we're gonna do a tail here. So the tail's gonna be in the center of that point. You're gonna do one long feather, and then I'm gonna do another one to the side, another one to this side, and maybe one more here and there. And I'm gonna do the shoulder of the other wing. And last but not least, we're gonna draw its eye. Nice. How's it looking, you guys? And I do love pencil because we can adjust things before we outline, and I'm gonna just make his neck go out a little bit further. There. How's it looking? How's yours looking? If you need to start over, you can start over. You do this at your pace. I'm gonna outline it, and I'll start here at the head. They're kind of like little ice cream scoops. 1, 2, 3, 4. A little skinnier. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the last one has 3. Perfect. Let's go back up to the belly line. Come down. Remember that point's gonna have your first long tail feather, and one on that side, and one on this side, and one more. And let's do the feet. And to finish its eye, look at that bald eagle, you guys. If you have any spots you need to erase. Now the bald eagle's head is white and the tail feathers are white down here. We will color in its beak and the feet. Body. The wing feathers are brown. What a beautiful bird. And there you have it. A bald eagle for the 4th of July. I hope that you guys give it a try at home, and don't forget to come back tomorrow for another summer sketch.